Hey beauties, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I created this lovely look on this beauty, let's get straight into the video. Okay, here as you can see, I'm aligning the brows and I'm using my Anco dark brown pencil. To clear up the brows, I'm going to be using lagirlpro concealer in beautiful bronze for underneath the brows, and above the brows I'm going to be using dark cocoa. Okay, I did went ahead and apply some of the beautiful bronze on the lids, and I'm blending that out. Then I'm going to be adding some Sacha buttercup setting powder on the lid to set all that concealer. Remember, everywhere you applied any liquid foundation or concealer, you always have to use a powder to set it from creasing. Here I've started applying the black eyeshadow. All the items I'm using, I'm going to list them in the description down below. All the palettes, all the foundation, concealer, all the stuff I'm using, I'm going to link them there so you could just go ahead. Here I've started applying the yellow eyeshadow. Don't know what happened to that footage, but I thought it was recording, but obviously it wasn't. Here I'm just building the eyeshadow there. It is not really pigmented, so I just go ahead and pat it on the lids there to get the color that I really wanted. Then I'm just going to blend out any harsh line there, make everything fall in one. I'm going to apply the lashes off camera, and the foundation that I mixed to get her shade is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 355 coconut, along with the LA Girl Pro concealer. Yes, LA Girl Pro concealer in dark cocoa. Just blending that out. Apparently it seems ashy. I guess it's the lighting because I'm using natural light, and again it looks ashy, but it's not going to be this ashy at the end of the video. Just keep on watching and you will see the end result. LA Girl Pro concealer in beautiful bronze for underneath the eyes, the forehead, the cheeks, the nose. Blending that out with my beauty blender. Blending that out, making sure it is well blended. Then I'm going to be applying my Sacha buttercup setting powder to set all the areas I've applied the LA Girl Pro concealer. Contouring the face. You see, the face is coming along. Okay, as I saw before, I was using the Sacha buttercup setting powder to clean up the contour. Here I'm just using the same black radiance cosmetic dark to deep palette to clean to contour the nose. Now I'm brushing away the excess Sacha buttercup setting powder. setting all the face with a face powder. I think it's a Prisma face powder. Then I'm going to be applying my setting spray, L'Oreal Infallible setting spray, to set in all that product that I've applied. Then I'm going to be pressing that all in with my beauty blender. Okay, here I'm applying some pink eyeshadow. It's actually a blush. I did went ahead and applied some of the blush here, pink blush, just to give it a pop of color. All the items I'm using, again, I'm going to link them in the description down below, so you could please go ahead and check out that. Lining lips with AOA lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. Then I'm going to go in with a lipstick. Yeah, it's a lipstick again, like lip glossy lipstick. Applying the highlighter from the Black Radiance contour palette. Applying it on the cheeks to give that glow. Okay guys, basically that's it for the video. Just applying some of that same highlighter on the nose, and for underneath the eyes, I'm going to be smudging out underneath the eyes with the same dark color eyeshadow I've used on the outer corner of the lids. And that's it. Hope you do enjoy this look. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. Until next time, go and make up yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much, Benny, for allowing me to create this wonderful look, and I hope you guys have a wonderful time watching this. Bye.